मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ। I go to school. I go to school. वह खाना खा रहा है। He is eating food. He is eating food. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading a book. I am reading a book. वह मेरा दोस्त है। He is my friend. He is my friend. हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। We play cricket. We play cricket. वह जल्दी सोता है। He sleeps early. He sleeps early. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? मैं घर जा रहा हूँ। I am going home. I am going home. वह गाना गा रही है। She is singing a song. She is singing a song. मैं पानी पीता हूँ। I drink water. I drink water. वह बाजार गया। He went to the market. He went to the market. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा। I will help you. I will help you. वह बहुत खुश है। She is very happy. She is very happy. हम साथ पढ़ते हैं। We study together. We study together. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मैं उसे जानता हूँ। I know him. I know him. वह देर से आया। He came late. He came late. मैं रोज व्यायाम करता हूँ। I exercise daily. I exercise daily. मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा। I will go to Delhi tomorrow. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. वह काम कर रही थी। She was working. She was working. हम फिल्म देखेंगे। We will watch a movie. We will watch a movie. मैंने खाना खाया। I ate food. I ate food. वह स्कूल नहीं गया। He did not go to school. He did not go to school. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा। I will call you. I will call you. वह पढ़ाई कर रहा था। He was studying. He was studying. हम जीतेंगे। We will win. We will win. उसने मुझे बुलाया। He called me. He called me. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy now. I am busy now. वह जल्दी आएगा। He will come soon. He will come soon. क्या तुमने काम पूरा किया? Did you finish the work? Did you finish the work? मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. वह घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. हम कल मिले थे। We met yesterday. We met yesterday. मैं उसे पसंद करता हूँ। I like him. I like him. वह मुझे नहीं समझता। He does not understand me. He does not understand me. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मैं तुम्हें याद करता हूँ। I miss you. I miss you. तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैं उसे नहीं जानता। I do not know him. I do not know him. वह कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। He never tells a lie. He never tells a lie. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? मैं आज नहीं जाऊंगा। I will not go today. I will not go today. वह मेरी बात नहीं सुनता। He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me. क्या तुम मुझे मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? मैं वहाँ नहीं गया। I did not go there. I did not go there. वह अभी तक नहीं आया। He has not come yet. He has not come yet. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I am not lying. I am not lying. वह मुझे पसंद नहीं करती. She does not like me. She does not like me. क्या तुमने उससे बुलाया? Did you call him? Did you call him? मैं देर से नहीं आऊंगा. I will not come late. I will not come late. वह काम नहीं कर रहा है. He is not working. He is not working. क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? मैं उससे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget him. I will never forget him. वह स्कूल क्यों नहीं गया? Why did he not go to school? Why did he not go to school? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मैं तुम्हें परेशान नहीं करूंगा. I will not disturb you. I will not disturb you. अगर बारिश होगी तो हम नहीं जाएंगे. If it rains, we will not go. If it rains, we will not go. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहता हूँ. I want to help you. I want to help you. वह मुझे देखकर मुस्कुराया. He smiled on seeing me. He smiled on seeing me. मैं ये काम कल तक पूरा कर दूंगा. I will complete this work by tomorrow. I will complete this work by tomorrow. तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? जब मैं पहुंचा वह सो रहा था. When I arrived, he was sleeping. When I arrived, he was sleeping. मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहना चाहता हूँ. I want to stay with you. I want to stay with you. उसने मुझसे सच नहीं कहा. He did not tell me the truth. He did not tell me the truth. अगर तुम पढ़ोगे तो पास हो जाओगे. If you study, you will pass. If you study, you will pass. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा. I will always be with you. I will always be with you.